Write a blog post using Jasper. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how you can write a blog post using Jasper very easily. So let's get started. First, the link for Jasper is given in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out and sign up for Jasper. Jasper is an AI writing assistant that helps us write high quality content. It unlocks the ultimate writing powers and saves our money and time. So if you were looking to hire a writer to write blogs for you, then you need to rethink and watch this tutorial to learn how you can write a blog very easily within minutes using Jasper. So once you open up your document, this is where you will get, and this is where we will be writing our blog post. So I want to write a blog about losing weight. And so I'll start with the titles, of course, and I want a really good title for my blog. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give Jasper a command and it will follow it and give me titles. So I have written right here this command, and now I'm gonna go with Control Shift Enter, and Jasper will write different ideas for me. So we have our 5 ideas right here: how to lose weight in 5 steps, the truth about losing weight, 10 myths about losing weight, how to eat healthy and lose weight, how to exercise and lose weight. All of these titles are actually pretty impressive and I like all of them, and they're SEO friendly. But I'm gonna keep the first one because it's really simple: how to lose weight in 5 steps. This is what I was looking for. So I'm just gonna keep this one and get rid of the others. You can choose any of the title you want. Now we need to generate some outline for our blog. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I have typed in write a blog outline, and again we're gonna go with Control Shift Enter, and Jasper will write these outline for me. So we have 5 outlines now. Make a commitment to losing weight, set realistic goals, track your progress, stay motivated, and celebrate your success. So we have our outlines right here. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to generate an intro for the blog because it's really important. So I'm gonna again write a simple command to Jasper, and it is going to be write an intro for the title that we have here. So now we will be generating an intro, and this is the intro that we got right here with Jasper. Are you trying to lose weight? If so, you're definitely not alone. In fact, according to Center of Disease Control, more than 1/3 of American adults are obese, but that does not mean it's easy to do. In fact, losing weight can be downright difficult at times. So I'm gonna actually let it complete this sentence with this right here compose. That's why it's important to have plan. Okay, perfect. So this is actually a pretty impressive intro that I can go for, and if I want to generate a paragraph, another paragraph, then of course we can use other options that I will just show you in a minute. But I think the intro actually looks pretty impressive now. So I'm gonna actually, what I will do is, let's actually take this intro right here between our title and our outline right here, between these 5 points and our title. So we have our outlines right here, and now we have our first one here, which is make a commitment to losing weight. So now I'm gonna actually generate a paragraph for this one, and this time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually we'll switch to power mode right here. This option is given, and I'm gonna use one of the templates that we get on Jasper. Jasper has a lot of different templates for us that we can use, and we can generate paragraphs, frameworks, outlines, anything we want. So I'm just gonna use the first one, which is a paragraph generator. So we already have like this title right here: 5 ways to lose weight. Okay, so it looks good, but we actually want a paragraph for our outline. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually simply copy this one from here, and I'm gonna paste it. So we have our paragraph. We want paragraph for this one. Keywords to include. So we have lose weight, weight loss, and then we have to lose weight. And then again, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for a tone which is going to be helpful. So okay, this is perfect. And then you're gonna simply click on generate AI content. Once you click right here, then we can also select from the outputs. If we want, we can go with more than one output. So I have selected 2 from here, and I have selected generate AI content. Once you select it, then we have our paragraphs right here. The paragraphs are actually pretty good, and you can see right here, you can check them out and read them. Losing weight can seem less daunting task, but it's possible to achieve. Remember, even small amount of weight loss can be, and you'll be on very healthy tomorrow. Okay, and then we have this one. Many people struggle with their weight and looking for ways to lose weight. There are a variety of methods that can be effective in losing weight. Changes, exercise. It's important to stick with your plan and be patient as you lose weight. So our outline is about commitment. So this paragraph is actually pretty good, and you can see how Jasper wrote what I wanted, exactly what I wanted. It's about commitment, and it's giving me this, very good paragraph. You can see right here. You can also speak to registered dietitian and certified personal trainer for more personalized advice. Making a commitment to lose weight is the first step on the road to success. Okay, this one is pretty impressive. So what I'm gonna do is we'll just copy the clipboard, and we're gonna go back to our document right here. You can just open it up, and then you can just paste it right here. So we have our paragraph right here for our first outline, and it looks pretty good. Now we have second one. If I wanted to generate more, I would, but I think this one is looking good. But if you want to do it, you can just go to compose, and it will write more sentences for you if you want. If you want to write more, then you can just go with this one right here, but I think this one is looking pretty good. Again, we have second our outline. Now I'm gonna again actually generate a paragraph for my second outline. So it's really easy to do. You just get your topic from here, paste right here, set realistic goals, keyword losing weight, weight loss, and how to lose. A voice again is going to be helpful. Click on generate AI content. Okay, so we have our paragraphs. When it comes to losing weight, setting realistic goal is essential. While it may be tempting to try to lose weight. So we have paragraphs right here. We have first one. When it comes to losing weight, setting realistic goal is essential. The gradual approach is more likely to lead to long-term success. And then we have this one right here. Trying to lose weight can be daunting task. And then we have this one. Losing weight can seem a... So the first one looks pretty impressive. So I'm gonna again copy this one, and we'll just take it to our document right here, and I'm gonna add it to my second outline given here, and it looks good. So that's what I'm gonna do with my third outline. Again, I will just generate paragraph for this one as well, and then for the fourth one and fifth one. So once you have added all of the paragraphs, now I'll actually take you back to the focus mode. So here we have our different outlines. We have our title, intro, then we have 5 of the outlines that you can see right here. It's almost 800 and plus words, so it looks pretty impressive. And you can see right here the information is there. The outlines look pretty impressive, and the content that Jasper has written, it's actually really good. And you can see right here that it is all original, and it has the right wording and vocabulary that we wanted. So once you're done with the outline, now what I can do is I can draw a conclusion for it, or you can give Jasper more commands if you're looking for more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write another command right here, and it's going to be write a conclusion. So again, I'm just gonna go with Control Shift Enter, and now Jasper will write a conclusion for me. So this is our conclusion. If I want more of it, I can just click on Compose. So you can write a conclusion like this. It looks pretty good. Losing weight can be a difficult process. By following these tips, you're on your way to success. Perfect. You'll be reaching your goal weight in no time. So the conclusion looks pretty impressive as well. And if I want to give like one more command to Jasper, then I can just go ahead and maybe write a CTA. So Jasper can not only take very simple commands, but it can also go with such commands where you can say write a CTA for Jenny Craig to help you lose weight. So I'm gonna go with Control Shift Enter, and it will run the command for me. So here it is. If you're looking for losing weight, Craig is a great option. With our program, you'll access through this right nutrition. Okay, so this is actually perfect, and we can also like write a CDA if we want. So this is how different people write blogs, and if you want to write a CDA for your own blog or maybe for the company for which you work, then you can write this CTA. What I'm gonna do here is I can actually, replace my blog as well with it. But if it's going to be a guest post for this company, then I can write this. I can use this CTA right here. Now this is actually perfect. You can see right here, we have our outline, we have our title, intro, and it looks good. And you can see right here, I have generated 1,000 plus words. So you can write blog posts for more than 1,000 words, like 2,000 words, whatever words you're looking for. I was looking for a blog with 1,000 words, and it has given me, and it literally took me a few minutes to generate this amazing blog using Jasper. So you can also go ahead and create your own blog with Jasper. It will help you create high quality content that meets your demands and whatever you were looking for. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. The link for Jasper is given in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out right now. You will be able to get a 5-day free trial with the link and also get 10,000 words. Also, watch our other videos on Jasper so that you can learn more. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.